Tesla vehicles come equipped with an integrated dashcam system that uses the car's external cameras to record footage. This system is part of Sentry mode and utilizes the front, rear, and side cameras. The dashcam records footage while driving, and Sentry mode activates when parked to detect potential threats, providing enhanced security for your Tesla. Key improvements include AI-enhanced detection and cloud integration. It is available on vehicles manufactured after 2019, with over 90% of active Tesla users enabling it. To enable Sentry mode, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, then Sentry mode on your Tesla's touchscreen. This allows the dashcam to activate when parked for security monitoring. While driving, the dashcam records continuously if enabled separately under Controls, Service, Dashcam. This provides constant footage during motion. Connect to Wi-Fi for cloud access to ensure your footage is stored seamlessly and can be accessed remotely through the app. Once enabled, the system automatically begins recording when the vehicle is parked or while driving, providing continuous security monitoring. It's important to differentiate between Dashcam and Sentry mode in Tesla vehicles. Dashcam focuses on recording while driving, providing continuous footage of your journey. This feature captures forward-facing video and can be useful for documenting road incidents or simply recording your drives. Sentry mode activates when the car is parked, using sensors and AI to detect potential threats around the vehicle. It records suspicious activity, such as motion within 16 feet, and can send alerts to your phone. This provides security surveillance for your Tesla when it's not in use. Both systems save footage either to the vehicle's internal SSD for short-term storage or to the cloud if cloud storage is enabled, allowing for longer retention and remote access. Tesla's Dashcam system automatically saves clips when events are detected. For example, motion detection in Sentry mode or incidents while driving trigger the system to record and save footage ranging from 1 to 10 minutes, capturing the relevant moments. For manual saving, tap the notification that appears on the vehicle's touchscreen when an event occurs. This allows you to save additional footage beyond automatic clips. The Tesla app provides another way to manually save clips. Access the security section to view events and save footage directly from your phone, with options for cloud storage and sharing. All saved clips range from 1 to 10 minutes in duration, ensuring you capture the important moments. The system uses AI to tag suspicious activity, and footage is encrypted for privacy, with cloud storage options available. There are two main ways to view and access your Tesla dashcam footage. The first method is directly from the vehicle's touchscreen. To access footage from the touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Safety and Security, and select View Clips. From there, you can browse through thumbnails and play your recordings directly on the car's display. This allows you to view clips immediately while in or near your vehicle, perfect for quick reviews of recent events. For remote access, use the Tesla mobile app. Open the app, navigate to Security, then Sentry Clips. This lets you view, download, and share your dashcam footage from anywhere. The app provides the same security settings interface and allows you to manage your recordings even when you're away from the vehicle. Both touchscreen and app access ensure you can easily view and manage your dashcam footage, whether you're in the car or remotely. Tesla dashcam footage is stored locally on your vehicle's internal drive for a limited time, typically just 1 hour. This automatic storage helps capture recent events without filling up space. To keep footage longer, Tesla offers cloud storage options that extend retention to unlimited time. This requires a subscription and connects your dashcam to Tesla's secure cloud servers. Your privacy is protected through strong encryption of all footage. Tesla uses end-to-end encryption to secure your data, ensuring it remains private and cannot be accessed without your permission. Tesla commits to not sharing your dashcam data without explicit permission. The company complies with privacy regulations like GDPR and U.S. state laws, giving you control over your information. Finally, always check and comply with local laws regarding video recording. Regulations vary by location, so ensure your dashcam use follows privacy and surveillance rules in your area. Tesla's dashcam technology features cutting-edge AI enhancements, Recent updates include advanced detection of pedestrians and cyclists, significantly reducing false alarms by 40% through machine learning algorithms. Looking ahead, Tesla dashcams are evolving toward predictive analytics. The system will analyze patterns in footage to anticipate potential threats before they occur, enhancing proactive security. Voice-activated commands will allow hands-free control, letting drivers save clips or activate features simply by speaking commands like "save that clip" or "show recent footage." AI summaries will automatically analyze footage and provide highlights of important events, making it easier to review hours of video by focusing on the most relevant moments.